I want to show you how to transfer data from one PC to another or one computer to another wirelessly, regardless of you have network or you don't have. The machine should be in the same network. You can use your phone hotspot or you connect in the same Wi-Fi. So now you start with your first machine. So you should install a software called Adductor. Okay, software called Ducto. Therefore, you go to Google, you search for Ducto. Okay, you search for Ducto. Okay, this is the software. After searching, you can come here. I download. Okay, after downloading, you go and run the Ducto you install as other softwares. After installation, you come here and search. You can search for the file for the software. Okay, it's called Ducto. This is our software. You click and run the software. Okay, it has opened like this one. Next, the same software installed to your second machine. Okay, this is my second machine. Okay, I have already installed the software. So you came here, you search for the Ducto, the same, run the program. Okay, I think now you can see the two machines. My first machine is called administrator. This machine currently is called Neprotech Graphics. You can see here on the top. If you come this side, you can see the machine can see each other. This is because they are depending on the same network. So for you to transfer data, you came here. Under setting, you can select a folder where you want your data to come. So on my option, I select desktop. Okay, select folder. Then you come to your next PC. Okay, you select administrator. This is where you want to send your files. You can send some text, some files. Files are single file. Then you can send a folder. So for example, let's select some files. Okay, you select some files. So the window will open like this one. You select which file you want to transfer. Okay, I want to transfer this Corel app. Okay, so I select Corel and I open. You can see now it's transferring from this machine to this one. Okay, I think you can see there too. This one is sending data to 61.3 MB. I think you can observe the same thing on the other machine. So you can transfer as many data as possible very easily. Alternatively, you can use Ethernet cable. You connect from the Ethernet cable of this PC to the Ethernet cable of the other PC. They will communicate. Then you can transfer your data. So you can transfer as a lot as possible. Very easy. You can see they are communicating. Okay. You can see. So you be patient and see. The data has been sent. Okay. This is our data. We are sending coded. You can see on the other machine. So after sending, you can click here on the folder for it to direct you where you have installed your data. Okay, so this is our program here. Okay, thank you for watching. If you find it useful, you can subscribe to my channel. Therefore, I appreciate you for watching. Thank you.